Hello, mathematicians! Welcome back to Number Corner. If you haven't noticed, I left my New York accent behind in April. Now I'm trying my best with a British accent or a form of one. It might get old. I may switch back into my regular voice, but I am giving it a try because that's what you asked for. All right, here we go. The water evaporation experiment. Hold on, brace yourselves, and don't get wet. We are going to conduct an experiment involving water. Yes, water. I know. How are we going to do this? Don't worry. I've thought about it. I have a plan. The first thing I want you to do is notice that I have this calibrated measuring cup. I'm actually going to show it to you. Here it is. And it's very cool. Take a look. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Now, pause the video and write down a few noticings and wanderings. Maybe you noticed the following. One side of the cup is in milliliters and one side of the cup is in cups. I know that's hard to see. There's also some ounces here too. If you didn't know, we abbreviate milliliters to just simply two letters, mLs. Okay, now I have to switch back into a regular voice. 200 milliliters is equivalent to 3/4 of a cup, which you can't really see, but I'm just telling you because I can see. And 250 milliliters, which is at the very top of our cup on one side, is equivalent or just more than 1 cup on the other side. So that's just to give you an idea of comparison and what we're working with. Let's fill our cup with 200 milliliters of water. Isn't that just a really cool video? I love it. It's very soothing. Okay, the big question. What will happen to the water if I just leave it sitting in a safe place where it cannot be knocked down or disturbed in any way? Any ideas? How long will it take for the water to evaporate or disappear? Do you think it'll take a month? Do you think it'll take a week? Will the water evaporate at a steady rate of X milliliters per day? For example, do you think that the water's going to evaporate at 2 milliliters per day, or 4, or 5? My next question, will the same amount of water evaporate each day? Do you think it's going to be even every single day? And if you do, why? Okay, now it's time to pause my video and write down your hypothesis or prediction. And I'd really like you to put your hypothesis on our Number Corner Padlet, if you can. So take a moment. Once you've written down your hypothesis, let's set up our experiment. In Google Classroom, your teachers have each posted a doc to record your observations. What I want you to do is first mark the day of the week that we started the experiment, which was Sunday, May 3rd. So I actually showed you exactly where to put your X. So I put it on Sunday. This stands for Sunday, May 3rd. And we will continue to X every single day as we go. The next thing, right underneath your tiny little calendar, you'll see it says Water Evaporation Record Sheet, days that have passed milliliters of water. I put in a 0 on mine because obviously no days have passed. This is the first day we're trying this experiment. And as you noticed in the video, we poured in 200 milliliters. So I'd like you to do the same on your own sheet. Fabulous. Remember, on the Number Corner Padlet, I'd like you to write your hypothesis and any noticings or wondering. And on Google Classroom, you're just going to be recording your observations day to day. Can't wait for this experiment to get going, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I know I am going to. Have a beautiful day and get outside. Cheerio.